كل اللي انت هتشوفه دلوقتي مش حقيقي، الناس اللي انت هتشوفها دي مش حقيقية، الايفنت ده مش حقيقي، والفيديو ده بالكامل معمول بالذكاء الاصطناعي باستخدام أداة فيو 3 آخر إصدار نزل من جوجل. الأدوات بتتطور بشكل مرعب، والفترة الجاية محدش هيقدر يفرق ما بين الحاجات الحقيقية والحاجات المعمولة بالذكاء الاصطناعي.
Welcome to a non-existent car show. Let's see some opinions.
I mean, man, the acceleration is crazy. You look far, step on the pedal, and you are there.
I feel safe with him in an SUV, and it seems to be like the right type of car for him.
I think the range is only going to get better. Sorry.
We don't want to drive gas cars anymore.
Yeah, no more gas cars.
You can see I'm kind of a misfit here, but don't tell anyone. I've just bought an electric car.
I think it's really great for families and for little babies with all the safety features that these SUVs have.
But what you're really seeing is that technology is going to be very, very important in terms of how we go forward.
It was great to come to the conference because my husband loves cars.
I think I have to buy an EV now. I love my muscle cars, but
I try to stay as healthy as I can so I can make it to the next car show.
Yeah.